So hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Recently I got so many DMs on Instagram asking me where can I start, how can I start the business, and when can I start. The most frequently asked question was where can I start and how can I start. So today in this video we are gonna talk about how can you start your business from scratch. I am gonna show you how can you start your business. Whatever skill you want to pick, you can learn that skill, and how can you scale your business. So today I'm going to show you 7-step and 19-day full blueprint on which you can go through and start your business journey. So step number 1 is to select the plans and start researching about your plans. So many business owners focus on the one business idea or one plan they research about, but the thing is, as a beginner you should have backup plans or backup business ideas, so you can, if you lose a certain amount of money, you can go through second plan or second business idea. So as a beginner you should have backup plans so you can move to the second business idea. Step number 1 is to select plan and research about your plans. So new by entrepreneurs don't research about the plans they are making and just they write down about the plans, but you need to research about plans, like how can you make profit from it, is it worthy. So you need to research about the plans or the business ideas you have properly and deeply. Now moving on the second step is, after researching about your plans, write down the plans you have or business idea you have made up. Write down that in book. Like if you are interested of drop shipping, SMMA and other businesses, you can write down that in your book or your journal. Moving to the third step. So out of all plans, select 3 to 5 plans that you want to work for now in present. Like if you have made 10 to 12 business ideas, select the best 3 to 5 business ideas that requires less amount of investment and you can start in your present. Select that 3 to 5 business ideas. It can be anything, it can be SMMA, it can be dropshipping, but it should be preferable to you to work on present state. Now moving on the fourth step. So fourth step is master the skill you require for the particular plan or particular business idea. For example, in dropshipping you require marketing. Also in SMMA you require Facebook ad marketing and digital marketing. So you can learn that from YouTube. You can just search like digital marketing or Facebook ad management on YouTube and watch the videos about full guidance or full courses for free on YouTube. I don't prefer you as a beginner to buy courses. You can just write down on YouTube and go through the videos. And this step is also important because you need to build the skill required for your particular ultimate plan. Moving on the fifth step, divide the ultimate plans. Now what do I mean by dividing the plans? You can divide it to small laps and get certain amount of crave that will motivate you to go on and continue the steps. So therefore divide the ultimate plans into small steps. For example, if you own a marketing agency, you can divide the goals like, first I need 1 client. That would be your first step. Second step can be like getting 3 clients, and the ultimate can be like earning 1 million from SMMA or something like that. So it was an example for you. Now step number 6 is to start taking action and to start achieving your goals. Actions are must required in here. If you make plans and everything but you don't take action, it won't worth it. So you need to start working on it. Go to your desk and start working. That's all you need to work. Plans and are for beginners, but if you have the all plans set, you need to work every day consistently. The seventh point is, the small steps will lead you to the ultimate goals. So I said you to divide the ultimate goals into small steps because sometimes the beginner lose their motivation. So for that you need crave in between or motivation in between that you will get from accomplishing something. So you need to divide the ultimate goals into small steps. Like if your ultimate goal is running an SMM agency, you can divide that goals into getting first client, getting 3 clients, or getting 5 clients. So these are the 7 points I wanted to discuss about in this video. If you love this video, make sure to like the video, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.